Hi everyone. This short video is to show you how to get your survey responses onto a Google Sheet. So just a little review. One, I copied the link. After copying it, I went ahead and I renamed it. And then I went ahead and I sent it to the students by clicking the link, copying the link, and then either sending it through email or by posting it in my classroom. So next, students are starting to respond. How do I know? Here it is. It shows me a 2. That means 2 students have responded so far. So let's look at the responses by clicking on the Response tab. From here, it shows you how many responses, and it gives you a summary option. This will give you a summary of each question's responses all together. Nothing is separated. So if you had 13 students respond, they'd be 13 answers under the legal last name. The next is Question tab. This will show you the answers for each question in the survey. And then the last tab, Individual tab, will show you for each student all their answers. So for Maria here, I have her ID number, I have her section number. So this is for the individual student. And then you can scroll through the students by clicking on the next response arrow or by changing the number. From here, I will go to this icon, and it's the Google Sheet icon, and I will click it so that all the responses will be transferred into a Google Sheet. I received this box, and it's asking me to go to a certain destination. So I would like to create a new spreadsheet. I could also rename it if I don't want it the same name as the survey, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is, and then I'll click Create. So now it opens and I can see the name of the class. I can see the timestamp, the date and the time that Maria completed the survey. I can see all the students' information. Now it's pretty long, so you might want to format your sheet, but that is how you get it into one sheet.